Did you know that 58% of parents are sleep deprived during the first year of their baby's life? Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about baby sleep training and how it can help exhausted parents reclaim their nights. Let's face it, sleepless nights can be incredibly challenging. They take a toll on your mood, your health, and your overall well-being. It's tough to be the best parent you can be when you're running on empty. That's where baby sleep training comes in. There are several methods out there, and today, we're going to highlight a few popular ones. The Ferber Method, the Cry It Out Method, the No Tears approach, the chair method, and bedtime fading. It is recommended to begin sleep training when babies are 4 to 6 months old, as they are capable of self-soothing at this stage. First, the Ferber Method. This technique involves letting your baby cry for a few minutes before comforting them, gradually increasing the wait time. The goal is to teach your baby to self-soothe and fall asleep on their own. Next, the Cry It Out Method, also known as extinction. This method involves putting your baby to bed and letting them cry until they fall asleep without any intervention. It's tough for many parents to hear their baby cry, but some find it effective. Then, we have the No Tears approach. This method focuses on comforting your baby until they fall asleep, without letting them cry it out. It might include rocking, feeding, or gently patting your baby to sleep. This approach can be more time-consuming, but is often gentler on both baby and parents. Another method is the chair method. Here, parents sit in a chair next to the crib and gradually move the chair farther away each night until the baby can sleep independently. This method allows parents to be present and provide comfort as the baby learns to sleep alone. Lastly, there's bedtime fading. This involves gradually adjusting your baby's bedtime to the desired time by delaying or advancing it in small increments. This method helps align the baby's sleep schedule with their natural sleep patterns. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The key is to find a method that works for both your baby and your family. Every baby is different, and what works for one might not work for another. We'd love to hear about your experiences with baby sleep training. What worked for you? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching.